Hello and welcome to Cigar Box Guitars, aka the Dutchman in San Marcos. I am the DISM. We're coming to you with another show of the Camacho Box. Look at that shiny baby. Anyways, so this is the introduction. Normally insert music and title here, but I don't have that made yet, so we will cut it. I am in my editing program, so I can cut it. So we'll cut it and we'll get you to the bench and start showing you some of the things we're doing on it. We're actually going to get into fretting it now. We got it glued down, so let's get going. All right, here we go. So eventually I'll have this other camera up here. Right now I'm using the same camera, but that's coming. So I had to dig out. We'll do a couple of these frets just to show you how it goes. Now remember, on this one here, I have to put a jumbo fret. I am kind of looking at if it needs to be sanded or not, and I don't want to rush it. It's looking like it's pretty square. Maybe a little high on the tip. But overall, pretty square. So I think we're going to go ahead. I'm going to put, I'm going to put this thing underneath it, just to help dampen it when I pound it in. So I got my jumbo frets. These are the jumbo frets. The jumbo frets out. The nice thing, these are actually already curved. So you can see I got one that I've been using in here. A little shorter. So I'll put a couple of these frets in so you can see how it's going to go. If it's a little high here, I always can sand it out when I start doing the frets. But the jumbo fret's got to be high anyways, so when the strings come across, it'll pull. So these are the jumbo frets. They're already they're pretty heavy duty. They're already kind of bent. And so I got this hammer, but it's rubber. I like to take a different hammer. And so what I do is I get it pretty close. Let's see if I got my little hammer here. I don't think I have it out on my bench. I had the same problem the other video. I haven't put my tools away, and now I can't find things. So I need to do a cleanup day. Not today, because we got to get this done. Here we go. This little guy. So it doesn't bang up the frets too much. It's got a plastic end, which is kind of hard to tighten these up. So anyways, we get it right in here. I try to flush it up as much as I can. Get it in there. And then, oops, I want to use this side so I don't dent up the metal too much. Oh yeah, that new saw with these frets really make it nice. You can see it went in there really nice. And that's holding. So then we'll get our nippers. I got big nippers for these. If I can. Here they are. So then we get our big nippers. That way I can flush cut right up to here. Get them right in there. And and cut them off. He pulls up just a little bit, but we can tap that down. All right, so there's the first fret. There's the first fret. And that's the jumbo. So everything will be leaning on, this is the 0 fret. So the real frets start right here, which is a smaller wire. So you can see, I'll compare the two. So if you see how they look, you can see which one's bigger. So I'm going to put one of these in for you, and then I'll take the time to do the rest, and then we'll have to sand them. And I'm going to see on these, because of my new saw, I'm going to see if I don't need to glue them in, because if they're holding with the tang, that's actually better. And you can keep that one went in really well. We'll see how the smaller one goes. Now these are medium, and they're not bent, they're just straight, but I do most of my necks straight anyways. I'll take a little bit of this edge off when I sand everything, when I sand these. And so this guy will go in, we want to go this way. Get him all lined up. I kind of get that one set. Man, that went in really nice. Maybe I'll do one more. Get our nipper nice and close. Yeah, I got a nice cut on that too. So now you can see how much higher that jumbo fret is. This one here, so the strings will come across and be just above that, so because the strings will pull down. And I'll show you that here. See if I put the straight edge on it. If I put the straight edge on it, you can see how much higher that is compared to this. See? So there we have it. The fretting has begun. And man, these really go in slick now. It went in so well, I'm going to do another one. Because it's like eating popcorn now. So I always use the plastic side because I don't want to dent the frets. So I pound this side in first. Then I nail this one. And then I get this as close as I can. Kind of even tip it up a little bit to kind of cut most of the tine off. Got a little bit of edge, but not much. So there we go. After I cut it, you want to kind of pound it a little more. Oh, those are perfect. So there we go. The fretting has begun. One more. I tell you, they're kind of addictive. I'll have this thing fretted in no time. It's all that little saw I got, man. That made all the difference in the world. This cut is like perfect for this work. pull it up just a little bit. Tap it in. Look at, there's 3 of the frets already. And we'll just work our way down. So there we have it. The frets are going in to the Camacho box. We got the jumbo in and all the regular ones. And they go in slick. I don't even think I'm going to need glue. We'll see when I start sanding these. And what I do is I use this guy. Where is he at? He's down by my files. I use this guy. See, I use this guy here to do this. That's already getting. But still need a little more work, but it doesn't look like these are going to pop on. We'll see how level they are. Beauty. On the road for another nice neck. So there we have it. Let me get you back around here. Okay, so there we go. We got some frets already going on the Camacho box. So the Camacho box is coming together. I still got to order the pickup, as you've seen from the last time. Now I can't find it. Oh, from the last time, I didn't put the fret in there yet, so I could probably mount that fret in there once I start fretting. So that'll have it. So insert the music and the thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please check for your friends. Every Saturday at noon, this one posts. Same thing with my clay train. Every Saturday that posts. So I hope you enjoy my content as we start editing more and getting a little better. So we'll see you later. Have a great weekend.